This machine was custom made for a client in Reunion Island. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 20 mm, which is more stable. Equipped with a brand-name motor, this machine increases production by 40% compared to conventional models. This machine can produce 2 different models of products, C and U. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 mm, which can save roll-forming machine workshop space and reduce the roll-forming machine investment, significantly reducing both investment costs and factory footprint. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.